Alright, I'm on a roll from the Browning 1911 and 380, so I'm gonna do another little video. This one is on the Beretta 92. This is a 92 compact from Landing Tactical. And again, I'm just gonna, in under 3 minutes, disassemble, reassemble, and do a functions check so that people can see how easy it is to take care of these things. Lock the slide to the rear, turn the push button in on the side, turn the lever down, release, take your guide rod out. I have a little buffer from Wilson Combat that eases the blow of the slide onto the frame. I highly recommend these. And then take your barrel out. That's it. You're ready for basic cleaning and maintenance. Put it back together. You just do it in reverse. I will say with the Beretta, at least since I haven't cleaned it since I shot it last, this is a giant pain in the ass. There. This time it's going well. This is take 3. But it's not that big of a deal. This isn't hard. It's easy. Lock the slide to the rear and got a whole minute left. Beretta 92 is a great pistol. It is on the heavier side to carry because it's all metal. Started out with either a 10 round or a 13 round magazine. Landing Tactical started shipping them out with 15 round magazines. And now Metguard just this last year came out with a 16 round magazine. And if you get the Beretta extended plate, you can have 18+1 rounds in a Beretta 92 compact.